we will solve a problem on rate of disappearance or appearance of reaction of product. First we have solved problem instantaneous rate of expression, then a question from average rate of expression. Okay, average rate of expression we have a numerical solve problem. So first I will write the question. Okay. Okay. Given the reaction in water, question is given the reaction in water, reaction is in water medium. So Cl2 plus 2Cl minus. Okay, 2Cl minus plus I2. This chemical reaction in aqueous medium, so it is written given the reaction, this reaction is in water medium. The reaction is Cl2 plus 2Cl minus plus I2. Chlorine is converting Cl2, sorry, to I minus. Cl is converting to Cl minus and I minus is converting to I2. Okay. The initial concentration of iodine iodide ion was 0.62 mole liter inverse. Initial concentration of iodide ion was 0.62 mole per liter and concentration after 12 minutes was 0.56 mole liter inverse. Okay, question is given, calculate the rate of disappearance of I minus ion. Calculate the rate of disappearance of I minus ion and rate of appearance of I2 molecule and rate of appearance of I2 molecule. Okay. So question is given Cl2 plus 2I minus. Reactant is Cl2 and reactant is I minus. So our product is 2Cl minus N plus I2. This is the question. Another given data are there. The initial concentration of iodide ion. The initial concentration of iodide ion was 0.62 mole liter inverse. And concentration after 12 minutes was 0.56 mole per liter inverse. Initial concentration of I minus ion is 0.62 mole per liter and final concentration of I minus ion is 0.56 mole per liter. And after 12 minutes, concentration of I minus ion changes from 0.62 to 0.56. Okay. What we have to solve? Calculate the rate of disappearance of I minus ion. Rate of disappearance of I minus ion and rate of appearance of I2 molecule. Okay. The first, in chemical kinetics, the term disappearance is for reactant and for appearance for product. reactant disappear करूची और product formula से पे लिखा है जे calculate the rate of disappearance of ion and rate of formation of ion I2 product side अछि ताको हमें फॉर्म करिबा से पे हम लिखिबा rate of formation of ion ion से अछि reactant side ताको हम लिखिबा rate of disappearance of I minus ion. Okay, so how can we solve this? How can we solve? Okay, first we have to calculate the change in concentration of I minus ion. Initial concentration of I minus ion केते अछि? After 12 minutes I minus ion concentration केते रहिला? तर हम first calculate करिबा change in concentration of I minus ion. So first change in concentration of I minus ion equal to I minus final minus I minus initial. फाइनल concentration केते अछि I minus ion रो और I minus ion रो initial concentration केते अछि फाइनल I minus रो फाइनल concentration केते थिला फाइनल concentration 0.56 I minus रो initial concentration 0.62 तो 0.56 minus 0.62 mole per liter বা mole liter inverse माइनस कले सब्ट्रैक्शन कले आसीबा आंसर आछी -0.06 मोल पर लीटर और मोल इनटू लीटर इनवर्स del I minus that is del I minus ion. A change in concentration of I minus ion that is I minus the iodide ion final concentration minus iodide ion initial concentration del I minus change in concentration of I minus ion. Then del T find the rate of del T change in time kete 12 minute minus 0 minute initially amar thila 0.62 12 minute pore amar 0.56 तो change in time kete 12 minus 0 12 minus 0 minute 12 okay so change in concentration is given change in time is given so how can we calculate the rate so first tell me I minus ion is disappearing or appearing I minus ion is disappearing so हम देखि परिबा rate of disappearance of I minus ion rate of disappearance of I minus ion rate of disappearance of I minus ion equal to we have calculate the change in concentration of I minus ion that is 0.06 divided by 12 minutes but we have to put a minus sign when you are calculating the rate of the reaction minus sign. Also the value of 0.06 is minus so we have 2 minus. I have told you why there is a minus sign before the rate of the reaction in terms of reactant because change in concentration is negative and again we have to put a negative sign before the reactant to make the rate positive. Okay, so the answer is 0.005 mole 0.005 mole liter inverse that is the rate of disappearance of I minus ion the rate of disappearance of I minus ion. Okay, our question is we have to ask or we have to solve two questions rate of disappearance of I minus ion. The second part of our question is rate of appearance of I2. So how can solve this? Okay. Again, write the question and write the rate of disappearance of the question. And the question is, again I am writing the question: Cl2 plus 2I minus ion 2Cl minus ion plus I2. This is a question, and we have to write the differential rate expression of the question. Okay, so R equal to d of Cl2 by dt d of I minus ion by dt d of Cl minus ion by dt equal to d of I2 by dt. This is our rate expression. So in this case, in place of d, we can put del, because concentration is appreciable. Del Cl2 by dt, del I minus by dt, del of Cl minus ion by del d, del of I2 by del d. So we can write del. Okay, this is our rate expression. In terms of you can say average rate, also you can write into instantaneous rate. Okay, so first rate of disappearance of I minus ion minus 0.06 by 12 equal to, and by 0.005 mole liter inverse. Okay, then equalize these two terms, because our question is in form of I minus ion or I2 ion. So equalize these two terms. We can write this R equal to this, R equal to del t by del I2 by del, or R equal to minus del I minus ion by del t equal to 2 into del I2 by del t. Okay, then in this we can write del I2 by del t equal to minus half del I by del t. Also we have calculated this. What is this value? Del I minus ion by del t you have calculated the rate of disappearance of I minus ion, which is also equal to del I minus ion by del t. Rate of disappearance of I minus ion, which del I minus ion by del t we have calculated 0.005. So if you put del in place of del I minus ion by del t 0.05, we can get for del I minus ion by del t we can put 0.005 del I minus ion by del t value is 0.005. So which is equal to del I2 by del t. So del I2 by del t equal to minus half into rate of disappearance of I minus ion, which have calculated 0.005. So answer is, final answer is 0.0025 mole liter inverse. So del I2 by del t equal to 0.0025 mole liter inverse. But what are the question? Our question was calculate the rate of disappearance of I minus ion, that is del I minus ion by del T, which we have calculated. Answer is 0.005 moles liter universe. Second question was rate of appearance of I2, that is del I2 by del T equal to minus 1 into rate of disappearance of I minus ion, that is 0.005, that is 0.0025 mole liter universe. এটা क्वेश्चन थिला रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ I minus ion, and I minus ion डिसअपियर करूची, रेट ऑफ अपियरेंस ऑफ I2 काहे ना I2 अपियर करूची, जणे डिसअपियर करूची आ जणे अपियर करूची. ओके, नेक्स्ट we have discussed how can measure the rate of a chemical reaction, graphical representation of rate of a chemical reaction, what is average rate, what is instantaneous rate. They have solved some numericals. Then we will discuss various factors which can affect the rate of a particular chemical reaction. Various factors which can affect the rate of a particular chemical reaction. Factors affecting rate of chemical reaction. Factors affecting rate of chemical reaction. को फैक्टर गोटे केमिकल रिएक्शन को चेंज कर पारे, गोटे केमिकल रिएक्शन को इंक्रीज कर पारे को फैक्टर, गोटे केमिकल रिएक्शन डिक्रीज कर पारे को फैक्टर. So there are various factors which can affect the rate of a chemical reaction. We will discuss one by one. So there are various factors. First we have to write the different factors. First factor is nature of reactant. Nature of reactant. Second factor is concentration of reactant. Nature of reactant. Second is concentration of reactant. Number 3 factor is temperature. Number 4 factor is catalyst. Number 5 factor is light. Number 6 factor is surface area. Surface area. Surface area of reactant or product. Okay. So these are the various factors which can affect the rate of a chemical reaction. First we have discussed nature of reactant. Okay. Nature of reactant. So rate of a reaction may increase or rate of reaction may decrease depending upon the type of reactant. If the chemical reaction may be of a similar category, but if you change the nature of the reactant, it may affect the rate. For example, suppose let us consider the reaction NO plus half O2. NO plus half O2 at 25 degree centigrade. At 25 degree centigrade, it is NO2. Similar type of chemical reaction CO plus half O2 CO2. All are gases. CO plus half O2 CO2. But the number one reaction category, this type of reaction, very fast reaction. Very fast reaction. This is slow reaction. So number one, very fast reaction, and number two is very slow reaction. Category is same, 25 degree centigrade, same 25 degree centigrade. But this is very fast reaction, this is very slow reaction. And the difference is due to the nature of reactor. First, we have taken NO. In second category, we have taken CO. But we are adding O2, we are adding O2. Temperature is same. In this case, you are getting NO2 and you are getting CO2. So, what is the reason? This reaction is very fast. This reaction is very slow. The reason is the energy required to break the NO bond and energy required to break the CO bond is different. That means, in this case, reaction is very fast reaction means this bond is broken easily. This bond is broken easily. Means bond energy of NO is very less in comparison to the bond energy of CO. So bond energy of NO is very less. Lesser bond energy of NO makes the reaction very fast, and larger bond energy of CO makes the reaction very slow. So if bond energy of reactant is very less, then bond is broken easily and rate of reaction is very high or very fast. If bond energy of reactant is very high or bond is broken more difficultly, then the rate of reaction is very slow. So the nature of reactant means the bond energy of reactant can affect the rate of reaction. If the bond energy of reactant is very less, then the reactant bond is broken very easily and make the reaction very fast. If the bond energy of reactant is very high, the bond is broken with more difficulty and reaction is very slow. Then second factor, number one factor we have discussed, the nature of reactant. The second factor is concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant. Okay. So you know, rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. If there is more change in concentration of reactant, then rate is more. If there is less change in concentration of reactant, then rate of reaction is slow. So concentration of reactant, you can say concentration is directly proportional to rate of reaction. Concentration is directly proportional to rate of reaction. Or change in concentration is directly proportional to rate of reaction. If change in concentration is more, then rate of reaction is more. If change in concentration is less, then rate of reaction is less. Okay. So with increase in the concentration of reactant means we are increasing the change in concentration of reactant. In other words, rate of reaction is increasing. So increasing the concentration of reactant increases the rate of the reaction. Similarly, decreasing the concentration of reactant decreases the rate of the chemical reaction. Okay. Number 3 parameter. Number 1 parameter we discussed the nature of reactant. Number 2 parameter the concentration of reactant. Number 3 parameter temperature. Number 3 parameter is So, how temperature affect the rate of a chemical reaction? How increasing temperature changes the rate of a chemical reaction? How decreasing temperature changes the rate of a chemical reaction? First, if temperature increases, then kinetic energy of the reactant molecule increases. If temperature increases, then kinetic energy of reactant molecule increases. So, increasing the kinetic energy of the reactant molecule or increasing the movement of the reactant molecule can increase the rate of a chemical reaction, because rate of a chemical reaction depends upon the collision, number of collision between the reactant molecule. केतेटा मॉलिक्यूल परस्पर सहित कोलाइड होछन बा बाडे होछन जदि हम टेंपरेचर को बढ़ाई दबा तो मॉलिक्यूल मानकर सिस्टम में जो मॉलिक्यूल माने अछंती ताकर काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो मॉलिक्यूल मानकर काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज यदि मॉलिक्यूल मानकर काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीज करिवो तारे मॉलिक्यूल मानक भितर कोलिजन बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिवो नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिवो यदि नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन बढ़ी बढ़ी चलिवो ताले हमर बेसी अमाउंट पाई परका प्रोडक्ट बा हम कहि परिबा the rate of reaction is more if we increase the temperature, because increasing the temperature increases the kinetic energy of the reactant molecule. Reactant molecule मानकर velocity बढ़ी जिवो बा reactant molecule मानकर kinetic energy बढ़ी जिवो यदि reactant molecule मानकर kinetic energy बढ़ी जिवो त सेमान को भितरे number of collision बढ़ी जिवो यदि number of collision बढ़ी जिवो ताले rate of reaction automatically increase. So, temperature is directly proportional to the, by increasing temperature, it is directly proportional, but directly related to the rate of the reaction. But you can say rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional. Rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to temperature of reaction. Rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to temperature of a reaction. Okay. Similarly, हम जो temperature को decrease कर दबा, kinetic energy of the reactant molecule decreases, number of collision decreases, rate of reaction decreases. Okay. So number 3 factor is over temperature of a reaction. Then come to number 4 factor. So before going to number 4 factor, one important information is there. But experiment कराई थी जे 10 degree rise in temperature, हमें 10 degree बढ़ेगा temperature, ताले हमारा rate of reaction double है जाए. माने for every 10 degree rise in temperature, every 10 degree rise in temperature doubles or दुई गुना करके doubles the rate of a reaction. हम कहि परिबा जे rate of reaction is approximately double for 10 degree rise in temperature. Okay. Then number 4 factor we discuss sunlight. Number 4 factor is sunlight. Number 4 factor is sunlight. There are certain chemical reactions which is generally completed in the presence of sunlight. In the absence of sunlight, there is no progress of the chemical reaction. For example, if you take H2 gas, Cl2 gas, 2HCl, the sunlight. Sunlight present in H2 is combining with Cl2 to form HCl. In the absence of sunlight, there is no formation of product, no product there. If you take sunlight, then you are getting 2 HCl. So, sunlight can change the direction of the reaction. In the absence of sunlight, there is no chemical reaction. Example is H2 and Cl2. And in the presence of sunlight, there is chemical reaction, and we are getting hydrochloric acid or HCl. So, sunlight can affect the rate of a chemical reaction. Okay. Let's come to number 5 factor. Catalyst. Okay. So, what is catalyst? How can we define a catalyst? Catalyst is a substance which can change the rate of a chemical reaction. Which can change the rate of a chemical reaction. Catalyst or substance जे कोई chemical reaction rate को change कर पाए. तो माने catalyst may be of 2 types. There are certain catalysts which increases the rate of chemical reaction. They are called positive catalysts. And there are certain types of catalysts which decreases the rate of chemical reaction, and they are called negative catalysts. So catalysts are 2 types. One is positive catalyst, means increases the rate of chemical reaction. Negative catalyst decreases the rate of chemical reaction. So, catalyst has 2 types of effect on the